even like on the internet we see it a lot. Like people make fun of the Indian accent.
Indian
Like they keep
accent.
saying like curry.
No,
Like
but-
they keep saying
But
that.
that's
you know?
their.
Yeah.
I think it's their idea of an Indian accent.
Yeah, of course, it's not
We
true.
don't speak
Yeah.
like that.
We
yeah,
do
we
not.
don't speak like
Yeah.
that at all.
It's
I
not
think it's
that
a certain
heavy.
part of India.
not.
Maybe
It's
that
their-
like
that's
has
the
that
NRI
accent.
American parents who have lived there who are confused. Like in
Yeah.
Vancouver in particular, there are these Punjabi parents who are from Ekdam Thet Punjab but have gone to Vancouver now. They are in the middle of nowhere when they speak English. So their Punjabi English is so funny. You have to see how even in London, I think I've heard it somewhere where Indians who've moved abroad, like from rural areas where they have that very heavy accent on them. You know that Ekdam Thet accent. They have that accent when they speak in English that shows in their language. So they have a very funny British Punjabi English.
Welcome to the secret life of teenagers.
But when you're abroad, you're far away from home. If you hear anyone speak any Indian language, you just feel like, especially like your own mother tongue, you just feel like, wow, where are
I've
we?
experienced this. So basically, I'm like, I used to be at, you say 12 a.m. in the night. Okay, I'm just sitting in my room. And then suddenly, I hear a group of boys walking around and talking in Hindi. They're shouting. I feel like I'm back at home. Like, what is happening? I like open up the window to just hear them and then I talk back also that someone's talking in Hindi. After hearing like that other language, I talk to my mom, of course, English, Hindi, you switch. But you're right that you do feel like you're at home.
You have a sense
No.
of belonging.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Funnily
truly.
enough, I think I talk in Hindi a lot more in the UK.
Yeah.
Not just
Same.
to,
Yeah.
not just to talk
Same.
That's
behind
true,
people's
actually.
backs so the white people
Yeah.
don't understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's a factor. But I think I talk in Hindi so much more over there, especially because I have my group of my Indian friends. So I speak in Hindi, and over here I speak in
Yeah.
English. It's so
But
funny.
that's what I was trying to say. I feel like in India, there's a lot more of like this, like idea that you have to speak in English. Whenever, like, even I'm in the US or I'm in LA and I'm with my Indian friends, the only thing that truly makes me feel at home or at ease and I feel comfortable is when I'm like talking in Hindi to my friends or I'm talking to my family in Hindi and I'm like, especially when I talk to my grandparents, it's such a nice, special feeling to be able to like communicate in a language that you're not constantly hearing or speaking in. And what you said about belonging, that's so true because you truly feel at home. It's so strange. Language is such a powerful thing, not just because it's such a big part of your identity, but it truly gives you a sense of who you are as a person and it gives you a sense of belonging.
Slut is the truth, now open your eyes. Slut, Delhi